Today, I'm going to show you how to make miso soup. This is a super easy one, and you might be surprised at how quick it is to make. Let's have a look. So, we do need a few specialist ingredients for this one, but I live in a fairly remote area and had no trouble finding them. To make miso soup, we need miso paste. This is fermented soybean and it's delicious. If you're unfamiliar with this, then you are missing out. We need some tofu, firm, medium or soft is fine, kombu or kelp, this is a dried seaweed, bonito, which is flakes of dried fish. Yum! Another type of seaweed called wakame, this is optional, and some spring onions. They're not specialists, you can get them anywhere. Now, we'll start off by making dashi. This is a traditional Japanese stock, it's easy and it doesn't take long. We need about 30 grams of kelp, just snap it and jam it in there, and 1 litre of cold water. Slowly bring it up so it's almost simmering. Don't boil it or it will become bitter. Leave it to steep for 15 minutes, and in the meantime, you can chop your tofu into little squares. Tofu is possibly the dullest food in the world, but its neutral flavour means it goes well with anything, in the same way that all food pairs well with a nice glass of water. Next, slice a few spring onions. Just throw that rooty bit over there, and you can watch me chop these for a moment while you hit the thumbs up button. Okay, back to the kelp. After 10 or 15 minutes, give it a taste and you should see that it already has tons of flavour. Then turn the heat off and add in 60 grams of bonito flakes. I'm not going to lie to you, it is going to smell quite fishy. We definitely don't want to boil this stuff. Just gently steep it for 5 minutes like a cup of tea. Then strain it off and you have made dashi. That was rather easy, wasn't it? By the way, you can use this stuff again to make another less potent stock. Now you can just whisk in a nice dollop of miso paste and you'll be good to go. But to keep the soup nice and smooth, stir in the miso through a sieve. I only have this massive sieve, but it would work better with a smaller one, and you could even use a tea strainer. Again, we don't want to bring it to a boil, just keep it on a low heat so it stays hot. Just push the miso through and discard anything that won't go through. Drop in the tofu and the spring onions. If you are using wakame, then drop that in for 2 minutes to rehydrate before serving. You could add a splash of soy sauce, but there's no need to season as we have plenty of salty ingredients. Get ready for a flavour sensation. And there you have it, miso soup. It's delicious! It's delicious. It's delicious. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary delights. If you didn't like the video, you probably clicked off ages ago, but here's what I have to say to you. Thanks for watching.